Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today. You know him, you love him. We've got John David Berdahl here today with This Is How You Make It.
Yes, This Is How You Make It. And first I got to apologize. I gave out my North Dakota Day password. Oh my gosh, so many people have been watching the show.
Password.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you talked about, right, HBO Max? Or Max?
Oh,
Passwords?
yes.
It took us a second.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
But
I
we're
love
right
that.
there.
Well, yes, I guess I have the benefit of just watching and be like, they're awesome. You know?
Well, you're awesome too,
Well,
which
thank
is
you.
why we love having you on the show.
Thank you so much.
What are we making today?
So today we're going to be painting bottles so they can become vases for flowers, but we're painting the inside, and I already tested out some of this purple metallic paint that I got at Dollar Tree.
Yes.
Okay? And so most of this is from Dollar Tree. I'm supposed to say hi to Allie. Hi, Allie, at the new Dollar Tree location on 13th Avenue.
Ooh,
Wonderful.
Yeah, next to the Wendy's there.
shout out to them.
So yes, hi. And hi, Dad, he was shopping with me. Hi, Dad.
And we
love it.
love that all of the materials you bring are always very affordable.
Yes, I try and make it just no cost art.
Yes.
Okay, and no budget sort of art. Yep.
All right, well,
And
let's
so,
dive in.
basically, yeah, let me get the gloves on that I've got here.
Oh, yes.
And people keep asking me, when is it that like the warm weather is going to arrive, right?
And so we're
and that's why
bringing
I got
spring.
this. Yes, I got this little squirrel here, right, that I got from the Dakota Boys Ranch.
Sustainable.
Yes, and I actually looked up when the vernal equinox was, right?
Oh.
Am I supposed to wink?
Love that.
Yes, and it was like, that was in March, so when's it supposed to warm up? You know, just wait for it. Good things come to those who wait.
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so yeah, we've got these bottles that I also got at Dollar Tree. They came with corks, and that's going to help out as we put paint in. We can put the cork in, put it upside down, you know, and let the paint just sort of travel, let gravity do its work.
Okay, so we just start pouring right in.
Yeah, go ahead.
And how much do you want to
I
pour?
want
All
blue.
of it. Pour all of it.
All of it?
Yes.
I guess it
Okay.
was only $1.
Yeah.
So my thought is that people probably have bottles at home that they could use for this.
Yes,
Or
absolutely.
maybe like a mason jar.
Yes.
Something like that. Maybe you don't even need to go to the Dollar Tree.
Oh, probably not.
Unless you want to say hi to Allie.
Yeah, exactly. Hi,
There you
Allie.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah, seemed like she was having a good time.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just kind of spinning it, rotating it. I suppose could shake it too, like a Polaroid picture.
There you go.
There we go. So yeah, it's starting to turn sort of metallic purple on the inside. I was telling everyone here too that I'm wearing my neon farmer outfit. No one can see the shoes that I've got. Maybe
can't.
right after the break or something like that. And then I had made the joke too, like someone who's like, nice shoes. I was like, am I supposed to pour paint like inside the shoe and put it on there? Like, no, don't do that.
Please don't.
Yeah, hey. So yeah, this will take a while to dry, of course.
Takes a little while to spread, too.
Absolutely. You know, and you're going to get thicker sorts of paints or thinner sorts of paints. See, now this one is a little thicker, and that's okay. It's just going to behave a little differently.
My
you know?
paint isn't painting.
Have you tried shaking it? Here we go.
This purple one's working great.
Yeah, that's why I got the purple, and I brought these just to, you know, here, I'll take the red. And I'll add some red in a little bit because I've got an area right here that's sort of, you know, not covered up.
Okay, I see.
I
So
might try
how
to
could
color
I
blend.
thin this out?
Oh, and so I actually was looking in the vehicle for the pour medium. Do you remember that?
I do remember that.
Yes, adding pour medium to this, and that would work out. I do apologize. I had it in another bag.
Well, that's
No
okay.
worries.
No, it's not.
is my
It's
workout.
Not okay. It's not acceptable. I'm supposed to have everything all at once, right?
Would like water work or no?
That will dilute it. You
Okay.
know? So yeah, it would work a little bit, but you got to make certain you don't add too much water. The ratio ought to be more paint to water,
Okay.
because otherwise you've just watered it down. You know?
Well, you know what? Sophia's great trial and error for what will work and won't work at home, too, when you're doing this with the kiddos.
Absolutely, and
Absolutely, yes.
that's why I had this little cup right here before the show started, because I didn't know exactly how this purple paint was going to behave. And so I just do that. I got these little glasses, again at Dollar Tree, and I just poured some paint in there, and then you, before we were waving to everyone, right, at the end of your segment, just before this, I was like, yeah, it's sort of thick, and you just stuck your finger in. Oh,
Okay.
wow, paint.
I thought it was dried paint already, so I stuck my finger in there because I wanted to feel it. Nope, I came out with a purple
It
finger
was totally,
instead.
yeah, and you're kind of like, what do I, and then you put the purple paint on the purple tablecloth, so you're not going to know where it is.
Why are you calling her out like that?
It's hilarious.
She just took her intrusive thoughts and went with it.
Oh, yes, exactly. You know, and that's what you ought to do when you're being creative, when you're making or being a maker, you know, that's really just explore, just discover, find out how it's going to work, you know, by touching, you know, by involving yourself, you know, including yourself in it. So it was great though, because you were just kind of, oh
correct.
no.
Oh yeah.
I'm supposed to wave in a moment and I've got purple.
And just now, if you guys were watching me, I was trying to squirt some yellow paint in this bottle, and I did squirt some on myself.
Oh,
so,
you did?
A little bit.
Nice.
It's trial and error.
Yeah, that's nice. So why did you pick yellow with purple?
So yellow is my favorite color, and I know you brought some lovely yellow flowers to put in our vases after we paint.
Yep. So I suppose we'll be coming back from a break, right? And we'll talk about
we
these
will.
flowers and why I picked these flowers particularly. There. So yeah.
It's a bit of an arm workout.
I suppose so, yeah. And to walk around a classroom, wouldn't that be great? Okay.
There you go.
Is everyone, you know, paying attention? And
Absolutely. Well, this is so much fun. We're going to keep doing this for 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the commercial break, but don't go anywhere. We're going to finish up after this.